is the best idea Bubba's ever had. I can't believe we never thought of this before. Anyway, let's get this little hand towel holder put up and we're the fuck out of here in 5 minutes. These old homes are always built to code, so their studs are every 16 inches, so we'll just make a little mark here. Put a couple screws in this and we're the fuck out of here. $10, just like that. There we go, perfect. Fucking seriously? Who the fuck built this piece of shit? It was obviously fucking drunk. Fucking Jesus, what the fuck's this stuff? For fuck's sakes. I gotta fucking hold it, fucking asshole. And you could patch these little holes and, you know, they still look pretty good, but the best thing to do when you get a hole like this is to make a little square. Then you'll never have to worry about cracking. So I may as well fucking do it right. So much for the goddamn 5-minute fucking job. But anyway, fucking idiots that built this fucking place. Fuck. Got a nice little rectangle out of here. Punch another couple holes in the corner. All right. Take our trusty, I'll fucking cut through anything saw. And make sure you try to stay on the lines because you want to be able to replace a nice rectangle afterwards. For fuck's sake.
What the fuck is going on in there? My goddamn TV just went off.
Chill the fuck out, Marguerite. It's probably just a breaker. No big deal. I'll fix it. Marguerite, you gotta shut your fucking water off! Shut your fucking